Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have an Hermes haul to share with you. I was recently in Orlando and I picked up several items, as you can see, from the Hermes boutique there. I had a wonderful experience there. The sales associate that helped me was great, very helpful, and they had a really nice selection of items that I had been looking for and hadn't been able to find in the Toronto boutiques. So anyway, let's get right into it. We'll start with the smallest item, I guess. So these are both the same. I picked up two Twillies. They had a really large selection of Twillies, like much larger than they have at the Toronto boutique, and I really loved this design, and I think this is going to work well with several of my bags, my mini 24-24, my Bolide, my Constance. All of these bags will work with these Twillies. So this is the information in case you're interested. And yeah, that is what it looks like. Just really beautiful colors and beautiful design. And the other one is exactly the same, so I just figured I'd get the set. Put that aside. So yeah, exactly the same thing. Okay, so that is the first couple of items. Just gonna put those aside. The next item is a watch strap for my Hermes watch. I had been looking for a particular color and hadn't been able to find it in Toronto, so they did have it at the Orlando boutique, and it is the Rose Sakura pink. And yeah, it's really cute. I've already worn it, so that's why it looks it doesn't look brand new, because I wore it right away actually when we were in Florida. So that is what it looks like, and I love the Sakura pink. It's so pretty. Okay, so that is the next item. What to do next? I'll do this one. So this was an item that I bought to wear with my new Constance 18. If you haven't seen that unboxing, I did recently get my first quota bag, which is a Constance 18, and this is the mini Kelly bracelet that is also in Vert Fizz. So my Constance 18 is in this color too. It's so pretty, and this one is in rose gold, but that's okay. Yeah, it's I hadn't found this one in the Toronto boutique, so I was happy to find it there. And it is this Swift? I can't remember. I think it's Swift leather. And yeah, it looks really cute on. This is my first Kelly bracelet like this. I've never had one before, but I usually don't wear jewelry like I usually just wear fine jewelry, but this one looks really cute with my bag. So that is that. Okay, and then this item, this actually wasn't really one I was looking for, but I saw it, and or the SA I was working with showed it to me, and I thought it would work well with a couple of my bags. So this is a bag strap, and it has the gold hardware. I can't remember all of the colors in it. I know it's blue broom and chai and gold, I think. I can't remember something like that. That's the combo. So this looks really nice with my mini 24-24, my blue one, and it also looks really nice with my black Bolide that I recently got. I mean, I suppose I could even use it with my mini Evelyn, although it is silver hardware, so in a pinch, I guess I could use it. But yeah, I really liked the color combination. This color combination just goes with a lot of my wardrobe, so I thought this would be nice to have, to use with current and future bags maybe. Okay, and the last two items, so I'll do, not sure which is which, but okay, so these are the Santorini Sandals. And the reason I was looking for these is because I have never seen them at the Toronto boutique. I don't believe they usually get them in. The Orons do not work for my feet. They do not, I think my foot is too narrow or something. They just don't work. I tried one pair and it didn't work for me. These work amazing for me. They're very comfortable, and just having this ankle strap just really helps. And this is the color, what was the color called? Oh, I think it's on the sticker here. Beige nude. Yeah, this is beige nude, so I thought it would go with everything. I took my usual size 38, which I take in all Hermes shoes, and yeah, these, I just liked this color because it's so neutral and goes with absolutely everything. So that's the first pair, and then this is another pair of Santorini Sandals, and this is the denim. It's denim, and then this, I'm not sure what this color was called. I don't think the information's actually on the box, but yeah, it's similar to gold. I'm not sure if it's actually gold or something else, but I've actually already worn these. As you can see, I wore them right away when we were in Florida, and they are so comfortable. And yeah, I decided to pick up two pairs because I loved them so much. They just, yeah, like I said, work so much better for my feet than the Oron sandals do. And again, these are the 38. So I loved the denim. It's just so cute for spring and summer. All right, that is it for my Orlando Hermes haul. Like I said, it was a great experience there, and it was fun to see what they had in stock. Yeah, I think I'll wrap the video up there. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again, and have a great day.